for relaxation, recreation, attractive visitors for holidays or vacation. Research bases towns or sometimes commercial establishments operated by a single company. My first news study is about Alona Beach in Panglao Island. So, first of all, Alona Beach is one kilometer long wide sand beach in Panglao Island, which is located in Bohol, Philippines. There are more than 20 Alona beaches resorts in close proximity to each other. Most are beachfront, while others are located at the back with access to the beach. And many resorts are in Alona Beach are also operated like so the architecture is Alfonso B. Cruz. The SWOT analysis, strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So yung strength niya is nakaka-attract siya ng tourists. Yung weakness niya ay maintenance and gastos. Then lack of security. Opportunities niya, promote high-class recreational areas. So yun, beach siya. So pwedeng mag-swimming ng mga tao. Then yung threats niya, prone siya sa dengue. Yung other services niya is big type air conditioner in every room, ceiling fan on terrace, cable TV, swimming pool, Wi-Fi internet access, personal safety box, minibar, tea, coffee maker, hair dryer, and terrace with some beds, tables, and chairs. My second case study is Cosabela Beach Resort, which is located in Mactan Island. Cosabela Tropical Beach Resort is an exclusive beachfront resort located in Mactan Island, Cebu, Philippines. The resort has two freshwater pools set to meet coconut trees and tropical foliage. Variety of activities are available such as scuba diving, parasailing, snorkeling, island hopping, motorized water sports, billiards, and table tennis. Architect is John G. Monroe. SWOT analysis, strength niya, maganda yung security, yung CCTV everywhere, and yun nga, tourist attraction din siya. Weakness niya, lack of facilities, opportunities to provide a good view of marine sanctuary. Threats niya, same lang din sa nauna, prone din siya sa dengue. Yung facilities pa rin is scuba diving, trips and lessons, parasailing, snorkeling, section 24, island hopping on local outfitters, walk planes, billiards, table tennis, beach volleyball, swimming pool, spa retreat, or like a Filipino spa, restaurant and bar.
PG Island Resort. Doon sa mga hindi nakakaalala, yung PG Island nasa southwest ng America. Tapos, yung thesis is about Eco Resort. So, mga pinili ko yung super close, yung mga, parang nag-a-approve sa standards ng mga Eco Resort. So, yung PG Island, sobrang natural yung magagawa niya. Sunod lang siya sa topo ng plan. Tapos, yung parang statement kasi ng PG is yung yan, take created from the environment as possible to give back as much as they can. Yun. Kumbaga, kung nakakapangilabang sila dun sa environment na na-offer sa kanila ng lugar, kailangan doble yung binabalik nila. Ganun sila paalaga. So, sila nagsimula para maabot nila yung environmentally friendly na idea nila. Tapos sila din silang mga environmental policies na ginagawa. Kumbaga, nag-expand na yung resort. Kumbaga, tinatouch na nila yung mga ibang pwede nilang kunyari yung sa mga native na nakatira sa island. Pati yung ini-educate nila kung paano mag-dispose ng tama. Tapos yan, eco-sensitive activities nila yan. land nila. Meron din silang bagong plantation yung ginagamit nila pang dilig para ma-harvest din ng bagong time. Tapos yung mga na-harvest nila, yun din yung pinag-maintain nila dun sa mga structure na kunyari, yung mga floating cottages nila, yung mga cottages nila yung ginagamit. Tapos, yung next ko na case study sa Cambodia, yung sa private island. So, island resort din siya. Kung mapapansin nyo kasi, puro island resort yung mga kinuha ko kasi yun yung parang project, ganun talaga yung project ko na pinurpose sa thesis. Island resort din talaga siya. Tapos, yan, when Thai Island, yung Cambodia Island, yan nga, undiscovered siya, tapos napaka-unspoiled niya. Very maganda sobra yung kanyang natural environment. Tapos, yung aim ng Songsaa na resort, parang gusto nila ganun lang. Kung ano din dinat na nila, gusto nila ganun lang. Tapos, ganun din parang sa Fiji Island, maka-return din sila ng kumbaga, bayaran nila yung environment na pinapakinabangan nila. Inagutuloy. Tapos yan, yung sustainability, ganito din, halos ganito, makaparehas yung mga lupa ko. Ito na mo sa Songsaa, pinapartnerships talaga nila yung mga local village nila. Napansin natin dun sa Baguio, parang nawawala na yung mga native natin doon. Dito hindi, pinavalue nila yung, kumbaga hindi lang sa environment, kasi sa society, pinavalue nila yung mga tao. Parang dapat nandyan kayo kasi kayo yung pupuntahan dito sa resort kasi kayo yung, kumbaga, kayo yung wala sa iba. Gano'n. Kaya tinitraining nila yung villagers kung paano mangisda. Tapos hindi nila pinapayagan mangisda dun sa may mga corals. Kailangan sa malalalim na areas lang. Tapos yung structure nila, yan, puro kahoy lang siya talaga. Tapos yung statement niya, ganun din, lahat ng eco-resort na makikita nyo, yung mga statement nilang mission, lagi nagsisimula sa environment, kaya nga tinawag silang eco-resort. Yan. Nung mababasa naman natin, puro sustainable, focus sa environment. Yan. Tapos ito yung, meron din silang environmental management yung sa Songsaa. Maraming pa ito ng example na nilagay ko. Yan yung management nila na ginagawa. Kumbaga nililista nila yung mga effects ng resort nila, yung mga restaurants na dapat nila gawin, yung mga indicators. Madami actually, hindi lang siya sa water, may mga ibang aspects pa. Kasi ito, nilagay ko
2 minutes.
Tapos ito yung socio-cultural environment nila, yung economic. Yun nga yung binabago nila the most. Ayun. Tapos ito yung conclusion ko, sustainability and the priority of management central to the mission and vision, which is yung eco-resort na environmental influence nila. Yun. Kailangan nagiging siya ng well-being, sustainable siya, hindi lang dun sa environment, pati dun sa societies.
This is called an established in February 14. It's in Hawaii, Guanabos, Hawaii. And actually, for like of people 10,000 6 stories of buildings, 0 stories of buildings. Beautiful apartment. Ang una lang gawin sa they brand themselves as a luxury resort and business. And usually marriage. As a resort, the whole namin resort, the cycle 90% of its days. They designed their facility with natural ventilation and rooms. Meron silang 18 room with waterfalls. Efficiency like lake funds, stopping and lines, visitors, account facility flow. Models designed to last 20% of the roads to a boat use, and also continues to be roads that are reasonable for high performance construction and operation areas. For example, maintaining state ownership of the land, 23 for buying water land. Bali, design coastal regulations to it. With the development of streams of land, preserve the ecological spaces. And one beneficial factor of the area for endangered wild sea corridors. Doon sa since establishing the 1980, the project was electric and released for the market of the sea corridors. Nag-install sila ng photovoltaic solar panel system na nagpapagod ng water for the from 3 million gallons per day and irrigation purposes. Material resources and waste management. Nag-create po sila ng natural nakakasona. Doon po sa pag-create ko kami, naman po sila ng mga maliit sa activities, such as po sa lava rocks na concept kami. Doon sa pagpali na lumalag sa Pilipinas, kumalig sila sa lumalag na trabaho nila. Yung mga ba experience sa lava. And after long construction, ako po sila na mag-transport sa mga global workers. Kaya yung popular schools, restore towers sa sila of process. Yung mga used cooking or waste, food scraps and waste, very recyclable po. One thing ko dinibigay ko ngayon sa local pig farmers binibenta ko na last time is gumagamit ko sila ng sa effluent discharges. Ginagamit ko nila as fertilizers. Kasi naman ko mag-tuloy yung place na gusto. Since nung nag-establish ko yun, marami ko nagpapagpay na is na nakalagay ng mga
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
So, energy, yung photovoltaic panels na nabatin din natin sa mga nag-ready ko sila ng rainwater. Saka yung shower heads faucets, they don't flow hardly. Na pinakakabos na water. So, film, tapos this, in Canada. So, sunod na lang po sa analysis. For yung sa mga analysis, nag-i siya ng special attention sa sector. Kasi kapag plano ko nila, pinakonsider ko na yun, it really affects yung design outcome. Kumbaga, yung importante sa pag-consider yung study. Na-assess ko nila na yung Hawaii. Kaya ko na i-use ko yung photovoltaic panels yung kailangan. So, addressing your objectives to yung So open communication between the management and sa employees. Important din din sa kanila kasi kung hindi consistent yung thinking nila na para sa environmental goals, hindi ko naman makakasya ng sensitive policies and environmental needs. Kumbaga, hindi ko natin kailangan mag-design pero yung aesthetics na sa technology na natin. Comfort and users comfort ng environment. Kumbaga, hindi naman makakawin sa structure. Kasi kapag na-achieve po natin